Installing the TE-SM9 in a 2013 Ford Explorer. Find a good location to mount the camera, and remove any hardware or vehicle panels to gain access to the location. If needed, drill a hole to gain access to the interior of the vehicle. With this vehicle, we need to run the wires down through the tailgate and into the vehicle's panels. The vehicle's panels in the tailgate will need to be removed. Run the camera wire through the hole and apply some silicone if needed to add protection from the outside elements. Screw the camera in place, but do not tighten the side camera screws until the visual can be confirmed on the mirror. Run the wire through the tailgate into the vehicle. We suggest running the wire along the headliner to make sure there's enough wire to run throughout the vehicle. There's a red wire on the camera extension that will need to be ran to a 12-volt reverse trigger. On this vehicle, we are able to grab it at the light. Once the wire is ran to the front, the mirror will need to be removed and replaced with the new streaming mirror. Connect the camera extension and power wire to the mirror. The mirror will need 12-volt constant, 12-volt accessory, and ground. Locations of the connections will depend on the vehicle.